Yo guys, welcome to another weekly forecast and Merry Christmas to those who are celebrating. Um, it's Saturday today, so the forecast will be for, let's have a quick check, from the 27th till the 31st of December. Timings will be different. I think gold will be opening at 1 a.m. UK time now rather than 11. So I think 2 hours later, and it closes normal time at 11 o'clock, 11 p.m. UK time. Okay, so what's been happening last week? As you can see, the weekly candle was a slightly bullish candle, which I was expecting. If I drop down to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we had a retracement going all of last week, and I think the final day, I think it was Thursday, we had Wednesday, Thursday, we had a bullish move back up to basically end the week off a little higher than we opened. This is what I was expecting. I wasn't expecting no drop at the moment, as I think you can scroll back to the previous forecast. We did have this area, if I bring this line up here, 1815, creating a sort of double top. I don't think gold's going to go down without collecting the liquidity above here, and also all of this imbalance on this candle if we want to go down to get better pricing for the buy. Yeah, I think last week it was going to be a slow week anyway. The volume was low to even take some trades. I did try taking some buys, but significant levels were needed to be marked, as you can see here from this breaker block that we created. We came back to retest this, which was a sort of resistance over time. You can see it kept price down, then we broke above it, we came back and it held price here. So this whole region, we should have been looking for buys. You can see once we touched 1785, we got a big lift off here, breaking 1800, and then I'm sure on Thursday, sorry, you guys seeing that we came back towards 1800 for this wick over here, and this gave us enough of a bounce or a retest for next week as well. So I'm expecting higher prices next week just because we got this bounce here off 1800. That was our little pullback we got. A lot of buyers got in, pushing price up here, breaking the highs, 1810 towards market close. So market open, either we get some sort of small pullback, probably won't be trading it, and pushing higher above 1815. Now, this won't be too long of a forecast, just because we've spoke about most of it and why I'm expecting it to go above 1815. A lot of people I've actually seen saying that if it does break above 1816, then they're going to close their sell positions. This, I believe, might be the wrong move, just because they're actually going to, well, if they've entered around about this area, they might have to close it. But it might be a wick scenario where we push up really quickly and then push back down. This will clear all of the sellers who are already selling. This will take out, the late buyers as well with this move back down. So I am looking for something like that. So head and shoulders is still in play as long as we don't push above 35, I believe. I think that will be way too high. It's just going to be a wick collection. So let's hope we can not get caught in that whole, like a bear trap. Yeah, let's hope we don't get caught. Now, the reason why I'm looking at 1835 max is, you can see, if I even drop on the 15-minute time frame, if you guys haven't read up on imbalances and liquidity, please do go and watch some of the videos off the learning channel. There's a lot on imbalance. You can see here that this whole section from 35 down to around about 23 is full of liquidity here. All these candles, well, these two candles here have not been traded back inside as normal price action happens. I'm not going to go too deep into imbalances, but I'm expecting some sort of, maybe we might get price entering this area from 23 to 35. I got a few people waiting to start selling at 27. So this whole zone will be a area to keep an eye on going into the new year as well. So next week probably will be a bullish week, depending how quick we get a move up to this area. and how quick we get a move down. What we could do is we get a push into this area, consolidate a little, and then going right into the new year, we'll get a move going down. Or next week we'll get a push really high into this area. It'd be a much stronger push, I think. Much stronger push into this area, collect as much as it can, pull back down towards 1815, create some sort of wick, and then we'll, entries on the retest to then continue it down. This will, basically be the head and shoulders play we're looking for. You can see we still are valid in the head and shoulders area. The right shoulder can go as high as the head. It can even go above the head, but I don't believe that the right shoulder will go that high. The right shoulder can extend just to collect as much liquidity as possible and then keep going down. So we're still in this little phase here. So that'll be the forecast for next week. Hope you guys have a lovely Christmas, and yep, that's it. Peace.